The first thing I used was this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, which I just call leave-in conditioner. But yeah, this is what I used first. I went in with this, and I always go in with this, honestly. This is like, I think this is the only leave-in conditioner I really use right now. It works. And then I go in with the Coconut Curling Cream, also by Cantu. These, like, and it's affordable, really. That's the main reason. Like, it works and it's affordable. So it only makes sense to use it when you on a budget. Even if you're not on a budget, you know what I'm saying? Just use it. But yeah, I went in with this right after the leave-in conditioner. And then next thing is the Super Shine Hair Silk. And this, I mean, normally this is something you would put on your straight hair, like after you straighten it. But I like to put it on my curly hair too, just to make sure it shines. I put a lot of product because my hair will soak it up so fast, and it becomes dry so fast. Like, it legit already looks dry. And then another Cantu product, I go in, well, this is something new though. I just started trying this. This is my second time using it, and I actually like it. And I think this is also good for if you want to refresh your curls, like the next few days, like maybe day 3, you want to refresh it or whatever. This, you know, this will help you out with that. But yeah, it's the Cantu Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse. And it says no sulfate, silicone, parabens, or mineral oil. So, I mean, it works for me. You can see how much I've used. I've only used it twice. But then again, I have a lot of hair. So, yeah, I'll probably be using it. Yeah, my next use, it'll probably be down here. And then the last use. So, it's probably lasting like 4 or 5 times. But it works. I feel like it works. There's another product. I have to find it to see if they have it in stock anymore. But there's like 2 other mousses. There's a mousse from Pantene and then a mousse from Organics. And when I tell you those mousses worked, like, they defined my curls so well, but I can never find them in stores. So I'm gonna look them up online, because they, like, when I tell y'all they had my curls, like, you feel me, curled. I gotta look them up. But yeah, so after I do that, I would go in. I let my hair dry a little bit, not completely, but I don't know. I just give it a little time in between before I go in with this gel. But this is like one of my holy grails, like the Tresemme Bouncy Curls Flawless Curls Defining Gel. The Tresemme is Flawless Curls, but then it also says Bouncy Curls Defining Gel, defines and holds. This right here, I learned about this in high school, and I didn't know about my hair. Like, I didn't know what products to use because I didn't really wear my hair curly in high school. I always straightened it, hence why it's damaged. But yeah, I used to, so when I found this product, I used it, and this was really all I put in my hair. I might have put a moisturizer in, and then I put this in, and it held my curls. So I was like, oh my God, like, this is holding my curls. So I was like, I can wear my hair curly now, because I used to didn't know how to do it, man. And I would walk out with a big afro, and people would laugh at me, man. This one girl freaking, she stuck a straw in my hair, and I didn't know. We would come back from lunch, and she stuck a straw in my hair, like the little straws you stick in the orange juice at school. Man, I was so mad, but like, I spray this on my hair after I do the gel, and then when I wake up, when I take my hair out of my bonnet, I'll go in and spray this as well. Just because my hair is so dry, y'all, it's not even funny how dry my hair is. And it's hot. Like, I'm telling y'all, it's really hot today. It's hot, period, in Georgia. Like, it's just hot. And that's how I make my wash and goes last. They don't last long. Maybe I need to try a different oil, but my hair dries so fast, and I need to drink more water. That's what it is. I've stopped drinking the water, the correct amount of water I need to drink. I've been slacking, and yeah, I need to drink some more water. Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, y'all, and then I did my baby hairs real quick, you know, little, had to lay them, had to lay the baby hairs, you know. You feel me? I know y'all feel me. I had to look, even though my hair's down, you never know, I might want to put it up. And I just feel like it always look better with the baby hairs. So I'm sure y'all feel the same. I need to blend it more. You know, don't you hate when like you do your makeup and then you gotta do your baby hairs and then it messes up the makeup? That's kind of what happened to me. And then right here is light because my eczema. Like, man, my eczema pops up in the weirdest places, and it's right here. It's healing though. It's going away. But yeah, that's how I got this look. Cute little wash and go. Throw it to one side, throw it to the other side. You know, you cute. See this right here? I would need it to be like this. It's not dry yet, so it's not dry yet. So this coming slowly but surely. I'll make sure I shut it off. But yeah, it would be like this. Boom. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna be at work tomorrow though, so it's like, okay, do my hair. Oh, I guess I can just wake up, pull up, hop out. Y'all wanna know what I've been listening to lately? But yeah, that's my wash and go routine. Let me know if y'all have tried these products, or if y'all, like, let me know if y'all tried these products and they worked, or if they didn't work. Let me know. Talk to me in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Again, my hair is really dry, so that's why you see me, you know, going real heavy, you know, with the products, because my hair is very dry and it soaks the stuff up like so fast. So that's why I'm heavy-handed with the products. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next video. It might be a flat iron, you know, updated flat iron routine. You never know. You never know. It might not be though. Oh shit, looking crazy. It might be an updated flat iron routine. It might be, might be a twist out. Oh shit. It might be a twist out. You know, you never know. I've been trying new stuff. So yeah, I think after this, I'm gonna try to do like a twist out video. I tried to do a roller set on my hair. Yeah, that ain't, I got way too much hair, it's too long. That ain't working. I need bigger rollers, like I need way more rollers. But yeah, look out for some more, you know, some different hair videos, and if y'all got some ideas, funny videos, any type of videos, let me know. Follow me on Instagram at beautifulbliss_V like Victor. beautifulbliss_V like Victor. Yeah, go follow me on the gram, and yeah, catch y'all in the next video.